Ayan. Next na. Good afternoon, everyone. So may mga BSIT ba dito? Please raise your hand sa mga nag-join na BSIT. Oh, sorry. Okay. Para mabilis tayo yung mga kasagot. Right? The lesson of our thing number 16 is all about functions and relations and modeling real life situations using functions. And we have three objectives for today. We're going to identify the domain range of a given function and evaluate a given function, represent and solve real life situations involving functions. So let's have a quick review first on day number 15. If you know the answer, just type it in chat box. Go. Okay, Oliveros. Ang section ng Oliveros. The answer is business loan. Next. Okay, Salvador got the correct answer. Salvador from PSIT 12. Our answer here is collateral. So which of the following is money lent to an individual for personal or family purposes? Okay, questions. Consumer loan. Yes, I can. Next, what do you call a person who guarantees to pay for someone else's financial obligation if the borrowers fail to do so? So what do you call a person who guarantees to pay for someone else's financial obligation if the borrowers fail to do so? Answer here is consumer, consumer business loan, no? Ang tawag sa kanila is guarantee. Guarantor is the correct answer number 4. Guarantee, guarantor. When it comes to business loan guys, or maybe could be sa consumer loan, nire-require tayo ng guarantor sa guarantor. Okay? Either ang guarantor po is it is a person who guarantees to pay for someone else's financial obligation if the borrower is afraid to do so. Guarantor as it. To identify the situation, identify what type of loan. Number 5 is business loan because branch of this car repairs. Salvador again. Salvador, next to Salvador is Riveros. Number 6, identify the situation. Mrs. Morales runs a trucking business. She wants to buy 4-wheeler trucks for the expansion of her business. Still, it was a business loan. Pero Santos, what was your section? Identify the situation. Margarita decided to take her family for a vacation. It's a consumer loan. Next, Los Santos and Joma Isabel. Blank is when you use your property as collateral for a loan from a financial institution. Okay, Flores got the right answer. Flores, mortgage. Flores, Owen, what is your section? Yeah, well, it is a loan used for property or real estate mortgage. The installment payment on the loan is term one. Monthly is wrong. Amortization is correct. Carbon. Carbon, is it BSIT 9? Oh, black pen. Next, the schedule prepared showing the installment payments for the period called the term of the loan is called. Due date is wrong. Monthly payment is wrong. The schedule prepared showing the installment payment for the period. Yung ginawa natin, ano yung pinakita ko sa inyo? Reservation, wrong. The schedule prepared showing the installment. Makikita lahat ng amortization, makikita niyo yung PI, makikita niyo yung PR, outstanding balance. Anong tawag doon? Carbon got the correct answer. It is amortization table. Next, you take out a $20,000 car loan with a 5% annual interest rate to be repaid over 5 years or 60 months. Kasi 12 months ay monthly siya nababayaran. What were your monthly amortization? This is 2 points. Find the monthly amortization. Roll. In decimal places. Gamitin niyo yung formula natin na PR all over M was 1 minus 1 plus R all over M negative M P. Jo, PM ng Julia sana wrong. Sumobra ka sa sagot. Okay. Tertius got a correct answer. 377.40. The answer here is 377.42. How? So this is the solution. 20,000. Tapos 20 times 0.05 rate and monthly, your M is 12. Then 1 minus open 1 plus the rate 0.05 all over 12. Then raised to negative. Your M is 12, then 60 months. 5 times 12 is 60, so raised to negative 60. Nice. It should be 1 plus. This is 1 plus. 377.42. So Krishna's got the correct answer. Next. Okay. Si Paul and Emil borrow 1,275,000 and fixed rate of 5% per year. What would be the monthly amortization? So what is the monthly amortization? Type your answer here. What is the monthly amortization? Type your answer. Okay, Adrian Lopez got the correct answer. 109. This is 109, 149.54. Okay. To get the PI, so P times your sister rate all over your F. Your principal is 1,275,000. Multiply the rate all over M. So what is our 1 month PI? It is 5312, 5312.5. Maliliit. Ang section mo maliliit. Block 9. Anong block ng IP? So what is the principal repayment? You're going to subtract PR, or PP, PP minus PI. The answer is 100, 103, tapos 3 ay 837.04. So kung minusin nyo lang ito, ang sagot is 103, 837.04. Ang susunod, outstanding balance minus the latest PR. And the answer is 103,837. Serenas. Ang session mo, Serenas. Ayun, sumagot. So the answer here to outstanding balance for the first month is 1,171,962.96. Next, for the this is 109, 149.54. From 1 month to 12 months, pare-parehas po yan. To get the payment interest of the second month, ito yung magiging fee natin kasi latest na siya. So the latest PI natin for the second month is 448.79.85. 48.79.85 for Serenas, ang section mo. Serenas. Sagot ka lang sagot. Di ko alam section mo. Bahala ka dyan. So 109, 149, 4,879.85. On Joma, stock lang. No? Kaya tanong ko lang ako yung Serenas. So this is 109, 149. The answer is 104. 4,000. 269.69. Okay. So the latest balance now is 1,066,893.31. Make sure that tama yan po lang. Okay, ba yung sagot? Ang tamang sagot dyan? Is it 31 or 27? What is the answer? What is 117,162.96 minus 104, 269.69? Minus nyo lang itong 1 million, 117,162.96 minus 104, 269. Kaya iba kayo ng sagot. Total ko na nga lang. 117,162.96. So, bakit yung division din? 117,162.96 minus 104, 269.69. Okay? 2.27 ang tama. Hindi 31. So, the answer should be 31. Ito yung isa. This is 27. Okay, ulit-ulit lang yung process na yan hanggang maging ang sagot mo dito ay 0.01. Ito, get the total. Ito-total nyo to. Total dito minus the total equals dapat yung sagot nyo dito alos parehas na siya dito. The answer should be the same way, 100 usually 5%. Kahit na hindi siya parehas, at least 0.1 more or 0.3 dito lang na decimal equals na niya. Basta 1,275,000 dapat ang makuha yun. Okay. So, ang nakakuha niyan is sa rest. Ano ba talaga? 1, 2, 8, 24. Saan yan, Oliveros? Saan ko ilalagay yan? P2. P2. Yung total ba? Yung pinaka-total ba? Oo, mali yan talaga. Okay, we're done with that one. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan, paulit-ulit na yung process din. So, dito na tayo sa main lesson. Our main lesson is all about relation functions in the meaning range. Okay, when we say relations, okay, relation is a set of ordered pairs. This is a set of ordered pairs. Aside from that, ordered pair is also known as roster form. Roster form. And there's 5 ways to represent a relation. Number 1 is ordered pair. Ordered pair example is 2, 3. Okay. The number 2 example is the mapping diagram. Mapping diagram. The mapping diagram example is may oblong. So, pwede rin box. Connect siya. Number 3 is graph. Ito yung graph ng ganyan. Isang X and Y. Number 4, meron tayong table of values. Okay. Table of values, example is X, Y, ganyan. The upper part is your X, the lower part is your Y. Then the fifth way on how to represent a relation, that is the so-called rule form, or also known as set builder notation. Set builder notation. Yeah, so these are the 5 ways to represent a relation. And let's proceed now to the main and the range. So the main are the X values. Okay. And so from that, the main is the input. Then this is independent. Okay. Now, and we have the range. The range is the Y value. And this is output. And this is dependent. Yeah. The main is the X value, input, independent. Range is the Y value, output, and dependent. Okay. For example na ating domain. So this is 2, 3. 2 is our X, 3 is our Y. So usually this is domain, this is range. What is function naman? What is function, sir? Function is a relation. Function is a relation in which the element of the main corresponds exactly one element in the range. I repeat. The meaning of function is it is a relation in which the element of the domain corresponds to your range at exactly one element. What is the symbol of element? This is the symbol of element. Then in relations and functions, set for symbol is the parenthesis na may tulad-tulad. Okay? Again, relation is a set of ordered pair. Ordered pair is also known as crystal form. Ordered pair example is 2, 3. 2 is the domain, Y is the range. Mapping diagram, graph, table of values, and rule form notation. Example ng rule form, guys, is for A is equal to X such that X blah blah blah. So, ganyan yung example ng rule form. Dun sa function naman, we have a function here. Function siya if the domain corresponds only one element to your range. Okay. We have example of one-to-one correspondence. Then tell me if it is a function. Okay. So functions are all relations. No? Lahat ng functions ay relations. Yes. Pero hindi lahat ng relations ay nagpo-function. So this is the example of one-to-one correspondence. So as we can see, the domain here is, so this is the proper way on how to get a domain 1, 2, 3. And this is the range A, B, C. Now, if we're going to get the elements of, or the ordered pair of the domain and the range, the answer would be, let's say A is equivalent to, this is the domain 1A. 2, B, and 3C. 3C, yeah. This is the element or the ordered pair of the given illustration here. So this is an example of function and relations. Tapos kanya is one-to-one correspondence. What is many to one correspondence? Many to one correspondence, your domain here is 1, 2, 3. Your range here is 3 only. Do not repeat the numbers when it comes to relations and fraction. If your answer is look like this, which is 3, 3, 3, that is wrong. This is the proper way on how to get the range of the many to one relationship or many to one correspondence. Okay, for example, this is pattern B. The order pair here is 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, and 3, 3. This is an example of function and relation because there is no repetition of real x. Still function pa rin siya. And this is an example of one-to-many correspondence. So the domain here, so let's see, this is 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 5. Okay. So 3, 3, 3, there is a repetition of your x. That's why math function for letters. Okay, the domain here should be 3 only. And then the range is 1, 4, 5. Okay, the range here is 1, 4, 5. Next, for the ratio defined below, state the domain and the range. The domain here is 2, 7, 10, -4, 0. And for the range is 5, -1, 3, 0. That's it because 5 is repeated. If you want to get the range, the answer should be 5, -1, 3, 0. Okay, so gets po ba ang domain and the range? Please click the virtual part kung gets po ang functions and relations within the range. Next, dito naman tayo sa vertical line test. And when it comes to vertical line test, this is a test or a line. When the line passes through the graph at exactly 1 point, then the graph is a function. So let's say this is a vertical line test. This is a 1 point. This is a 1 point. This is 1 point. 1 point. 1 point. 1 point. Since the graph, the line of the vertical line test passes through the line on the graph at exactly 1 point. So all examples here are all functions. So function siya, function siya, function, function, function. Kailan siya magiging not function kapag ganito. This is not function because the vertical line test hit the graph twice. Another example is that. So this is the line test passes through the graph at 3 times. So this is not function. So that is the importance of the vertical line test when it comes to graph. Thumbs up kung nag-gets po ang vertical line test. Next. So what is function notation? Function notation is a way of expressing the relationship between two variables. Okay. Again, it is a way of expressing relationship. This is expressing the relationship between two variables. And the function notation written as f of x is equal to mx plus c. So f of x is equal to mx plus c. So f of x is also known as your y, where y is the output and your x is your input. Your x is input. This is input. Function notation is a way of expressing relationship between two variables, and it is written as f of x is equal to mx plus c. So let's solve the function notation of a, which is x is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 2 minus, this is minus 3 raised times 1 plus. Pag nag-direct na ako, lahat ng makikita yung x dyan, papalitan nyo ng 1. Kaya pinalitan mo ng 1. Then after substitution, don't forget to use the parenthesis. 1 squared is 1 minus negative 3 plus 5. The answer here is 3. Next, for letter B. B is f minus negative 2. Direct solving na ako dito. Nagamit ko ng parenthesis, negative 2. So nag-substitute ako. Minus 3, negative 2 plus 5. So negative 2 squared is 4 since the first term has parenthesis. That's why the answer is positive 4. And negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 plus 5. The answer here in letter B is 15. Next, we can sa letter C. So letter C is FA minus 1. So substitute na natin. We're going to substitute A minus 1 to the given equation. So A minus 1 squared minus 3A minus 1 plus 5. So your F of A minus 1 equivalent to A squared minus 2A plus 1. Then distribute. Negative 3A distribute ulit plus 3 plus 5. So dito na part, kailangan mo siyang expand A minus 1, then A minus 1. Tapos, square method mo, A squared, then next is 1, para yung unang number kaysa variable. Next is negative 1A, negative 1A, negative times negative is positive 1. That's why the answer here is negative 2A plus 1. A squared, 2A minus 2A plus 1. So, nandito na yun. Adding line terms natin. So, sa mga terms, observe the highest frequency, highest exponent, rather. The highest exponent is the first term. Next to A squared is the negative 3A and negative 2A. So we're going to add the 1 that is 5A, but make sure the negative sign is the operation. Next is the constant 1, 3, and 5. So the constant is 9. Thumbs up if you understand the function notation. Okay, how about the letter C, sir? How about the letter C? This is letter C, right? Okay, next. After answer, review what is function again? What is the rate? What is the rate? What is the dependent? So what do you call a relation where each element in the domain is related to only one value arranged by some rules? Answer. Adrian Lopez got the correct answer. It's function. How about letter number 2? What is the answer number 2? What are the functions here? What are the functions here, number 2? What are the functions number 2? B. BAC, A, B, and very good. Adrian Lopez. The answer is B and B. Why is it B and B? Because 3, 2, 8, 5, there is no repetition in your X. So this is 1 and 1. There is a repetition of your domain. If there is a repetition of your domain, the answer is always not constant. Then letter C, 2 is repeated. So this is X. And we have letter B, 2, 3, 9, and 6. There's no repetition of numbers. That's why the answer is B and B. Next, how about this? In a relation, what do you call the set of X values or the input? The answer is letter C, the main side of it. Next, what is the range of the function shown by the diagram? What is the function shown by the diagram? Letter B, according to Ivan Marcus. Ivan Marcus from Winnipeg. Next, so which of the following tables represent a function? What is Joshua Salvador got the correct answer, letter B. The answer is letter B because array A, there is a repetition of 1. This is a repetition of -1. There is a repetition of 1 here, but letter B means no repetition. 0, -1, 3, and so that's why the answer is clear. It's letter B. Now let's apply what we have learned in real life situation, the function notation. A. Give a function S that can be represented the cost of buying X. So S of N now is equivalent to 105 pesos. Then this is X. This is the mathematical equation if ever nabuhay natin yung presyo ng sugar kung ang isang kilo niya is 105. So, ilan yung magagastos niya? Kung 8 kilograms ang magiging bibilihin niya. Ano siguro? 105 times 830. Carbo lang got the correct answer. So, 840 ang sagot yan. Next is, if a philanthropist gained 1 million plus 2 to be divided equally to the poor and service students, represent the amount received if there were N, number 4, poor and service students. So F of N daw is equal to what is the mathematical equation in number 2? Paano niya i-distribute yung 1 million? Answer? What is the equation? A philanthropist want to give 1 million to the serving students. How are you going to divide the 1 million through mathematical equation? Ano yung magiging equation niya? Pati 1 million, nako. 1 million all over N. And then sa what? Yung 1 million, i-divide niya sa N. Depende kung yung N is mga deserving students and number of food. Yun na yung sagot. Sabi niya doon, to be divided. I-divide ko yung 1 million sa N. Ano ba yung N? Number of poor and deserving students. Ito yung magiging equation niya. Next, a bill is earning 1,000 pesos, 1,500 pesos per day as a professor in a certain university in the Luzon City. Now, yung A daw, hanapin natin yung mathematical equation niya. What is the mathematical equation in S tapos may n siya. So S of n equals 1/5 all over n. It's wrong. Hindi mo pwedeng i-divide ang sahod. Baka makulong ka, Salvador. S of n equals what? Okay, Giancarlo got the correct answer, 1,500. And very good. Giancarlo Villasana got the correct answer. Screen. How about letter B? What is the monthly salary of letter B? What is the monthly salary of letter B? Just simply use this formula na nabuo natin. So S of N is equal to 1,500. Answer? 7.5 is wrong. 7.5 is wrong. Okay, Tertius got the correct answer, 30,000. Answer is 30,000 yung salary niya. Paano naging 30,000? Kasi nagtatrabaho siya 5 days a week and monthly ang tinatanong. And we have 4 weeks in 1 month. So 4 weeks in 1 month, so 5 days siya nagtatrabaho sa isang week. So magiging 5 times 4 equals 20. Magiging 1.5. Tapos ito times natin siya sa 20. So ang answer dyan is 30,000. Ang kanyang sahod. Gets? Thumbs up kung nag-gets po. When you click the thumbs up, why is it 30,000 is the answer, not 7,200. Okay. Next. How about number 3? Character answer. What is the answer number 1? What letter? Salvador got the correct answer. Salvador is correct. The answer is letter C. How about number 4? What is the answer number 4? Letter B is wrong. Okay, Salvador again got the correct answer. The answer is letter C. Because 100 pesos, 100 plus additional na 5, tapos hindi natin alam kung ano yung N natin. So how much will it pay for a typing job? So typing job daw 5 pesos. So ibig sabihin na additional na 5 pesos kapag nagtatrabaho sa typing, sa kanang typing job na 5 pesos. So 5 days yun. So 5 times 5. 100 plus 25 is 125. Next, how about number 5? What is the answer number 5? Okay, Ladislao got the correct answer. Ladislao, what is their section? Ladislao. Ladislao, what is your section? Ladislao, section. Block 12. Next, the answer here is 8. Same problem. You know, ginawa ko na solution dito. Ibig sabihin, 100 plus 5 times x. Ito po yan. Next. So we're done with that. So let's move on to cost, revenue, and profit functions. Tandaan niyo na ang total cost is denoted as letter C. And of course, letter C po ang total cost. Now, the meaning of total cost is yung expenses na na-produce niya, expenses to produce a product. Kunyari, ikaw ay may business, Tapos, ang business mo is gumagawa ka ng parol. Sa parol, ang nagagastos mo sa isang product is 50 pesos. 50 pesos sa parol mo. O 100 pesos na lang. Yun yung tinatawag na total cost. Meron tayong variable cost. The variable cost denoted as fee. Ito yung nagagastos mo making one product. Okay? Expenses mo of making one pieces. Okay? One piece, rather, one pieces. One piece of parol, something like that. Yung total cost, depende yan total cost. Yung sa variable cost mo, isang piraso. Expenses mo nung na-produce mo yung product, depende yan ng ilan. Maybe pag 10 at 100 pesos, maybe 1,000. Ito naman, yung fixed na cost, yung F natin, ito yung nagastos mo na remains the same no matter how much product is manufactured and sold. So that is F. Our F is fixed cost. That is the expenses mo na remain the same no matter how much product is manufactured and sold. So ang formula ng total cost is C of X and V is the variable and F is the fixed cost. Always remember that your X is the number of units of products produced. Depende yan kung ilan yung products na napagbenta o bibili. That is the cost function. Pero sa revenue, guys, revenue is R. This R is the amount received for sale of goods or payments or services rendered. Okay, kunyari, may nabenta ka na, one product, 100 pesos. Ibenta mo siya ng 500 pesos. Yun yung tinatawag na revenue. Okay? So, yung revenue, nandun na yung total ay ng variable cost mo, tapos yung natubo mo. Okay? So, yung revenue function is price per unit, tapos number of units. Small letter T po tayo is price per unit. Yung presyo niya kada isang product. So the formula is R all over X. R all over X is equal to smaller Tx. Kasi meron tayo big letter T. Yung big letter T is the profit. Yung tubo. Diba? Yung tubo. Ibig sabihin, yung sa total cost at yung sa revenue, kapag pinag-minus mo yan, makukuha mo yung profit. Yung tubo. Tama nga naman. Kasi sa revenue mo, yung kabuuan ng naggastos mo ng puhunan, tapos yung tubo mo, pinaghalo na dito sa revenue. Tapos kapag minus mo ang puhunan, ang tawag doon ngayon ay profit. Ito na yun. This is the money earned after paying the cost of producing and selling products and services. Kaya nga siya pinag-minus dito. Revenue minus the cost function. So ito yung magiging formula natin. So P of X, small letter Tx minus the cost. Ito yung sa revenue, ito yung naman yung sa cost function. Kaya ito yung magiging basehan natin dito sa profit. Kunin muna natin yung equation ng revenue, tapos i-minus natin siya sa cost function. Example tayo para mas maintindihan natin. The CAS SSC is trying to raise funds for their outreach activity by selling cupcakes to their fellow CAS students. Then the cost to make each cupcake is 50 pesos. Ilan magkano ulit ang presyo ng isang cupcake? 15 pesos. So kapag nakapag-produce ka daw ng isa, that is the variable cost. Okay? So at B po yan, 15 pesos. Ngayon, kapag nabenta mo na yun, binibenta nila siya ng 30 pesos. Yun na yung small letter P. Small letter P is the revenue. The revenue is 30 pesos. Or a small letter P kasi yung price per unit. Yung presyo niya, kada isa is 30 pesos. Pero yung cost na nagastos nila, kada isang cupcake na nagastos sila ng 50 pesos. Pero nung binenta na nila, 30 pesos na. So, times 2. Okay? Tumubos lang ng 15. Ngayon, ibig sabihin, yung fixed cost natin is 750. So, may nagsatype pa rin yung answer dito. A is 450. Wala pa naman tanong. Okay. Again, the variable cost is 50 pesos. A small letter T is 30 pesos. F is equal to 750. So, kunin natin yung cost value. Yung cost value natin dyan is total cost function. Cx. The cost function natin dito, C of x is equal to D of x plus F. So, yung C of x natin dyan is 15x plus 750. So, ito na yung total cost natin. Yung revenue naman, revenue function, yung revenue natin is R of x is equal to P small letter Px plus Px lang brother. So yung Px natin dyan is equal to P is 30x. So R all over x. So R all over x is 30x. Then po yung galing of P. Next. So yung ating yung profit function. Yung tubo na ngayon. Profit function, yung minus na natin yung C x minus yung R x. Kapag minus natin yan, ito dito sa kabila. Okay. Ito na kasha. Tingnan natin ito. Ito dito kasi. So, pag minus natin yan sa profit, kukunin natin yung total profit natin. Equation niya is magiging CX natin dyan. Baliktad. Sorry, baliktad. Baliktad yan. Baliktad yan Okay, baliktad. So, the profit function is the revenue. Kasi yung revenue nandun na yung principal amount and the presyo niya. Okay. Yung puhunan tapos yung napagbentahan na kasama yung interest. So, RX, interest, yung patong, yung tubo. So, binenta niya ng 30 pesos yung 15. Yung 15 na cupcakes. So, RX minus CX. Okay, next is, magiging yung RX natin dyan is 30x minus yung CX natin is 15x plus 750. Ito yun, no? 15x plus 750. Minus ko siya dito sa CX. You know? Minus CX. So, x. Next is, i-distribute natin yung negative. I-distribute yung negative. So, magiging 30x minus 15x minus 750. Next, adding like terms, magiging 30x minus 15x is magiging 15x minus 150. So yung profit natin is, equation niya is 15x minus 750. It's not 150 na, it's 750. Okay, so kukunin na natin yung letter A. Yung letter A is the total profit of if putted cupcakes were sold. So, kunin na natin yung A. So, we have P of X is equal to 15x minus 750. So, 40 pesos to yung 40 na cupcakes. X natin, 40 minus 750. What is This one. Tutubo ba sila doon kapag nakabagyan ka sila ng 40 complex person? No. What's the answer? Negative 1. Hindi sila tumubo. Negative sila, oh. Try natin yung letter B. Letter D naman. So, si Carbo. So we have the PA of X equals 15X minus 750. 70 naman. So try natin yung 70. 15 times 7 minus 750. And natin, yun ang lalabas. 300 pesos. Brian Lopez. Next, doon sa letter C naman, yung break even. Kapag break even po, yan. Kapag sa break even, your P of X is always 0. The P of X is equal to 15X minus 750. And this is 15X equals 750. So, para mas maintindihan ninyo kung bakit naging ganyan. Ito, is 0 ko ito. This is 15X minus 750. So yung 15X nilipat, negative 750 nilipat sa kabila. Magiging 750 na siya. Then 15X, then divide both sides by 15. Ito yung number of cupcakes break even. So that is 50 cupcakes. All right. Versions. Alam niyo agad ang sagot, ha? Yeah, yun na yung sagot natin sa A, B, and C. So this is by partner. You're going to pass it on face-to-face class on Friday. So please take a screenshot of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Screenshot nyo kasi nyo sa GC. Next is, given that f is the function defined by f of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for last one, every week, Sarah saves 200 pesos in her piggy bank. So that's all for today. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Done. So that's all for today. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Yes, kahit sino by partner. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sir, bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir. Love you.